Good morning, everybody. And already I have told you 4 laws on logarithmic. Okay, so today I will tell you the rest 4 laws on logarithmic. Okay, so the fifth law is if n is positive rational number, m is a positive rational number, and a and b are positive real numbers, so that a is unequal to 1 and b is unequal to 1. That means a and b are greater than 0 and both are unequal to 1. Then log m to the base a is equal to log m to the base b divided by log a to the base b. B is any base. That means log m to the base a is equal to log m by log a. Log m by log a to any base b. Both. B is any base. There is no restriction on b. You can take any base. Okay. So how to prove this one? See here. Let log m to the base a is equal to x. That means m is equal to how much? M is equal to a to the power x. Okay. So I am taking log on both the sides. Log m to the base b I am taking on both the sides. Log a to the power x to the base b. And already I have told you the power will come to the front. So I can write log m to the base b is equal to x into log a to the base b. Okay, so what is the value of x? Log m to the base a. Log m to the base b is equal to log m to the base a into log a to the base b. So what is log m to the base a? So this quantity will come to the left hand side. Okay, so what is the value of this one? Log m to the base a is equal to log m to the base b divided by this quantity log a to the base b, which is your requirement. Log m to the base a, log m to the base a is equal to log m to the base b divided by log a to the base b. Okay, so see here, and the most important corollary of this one, if you will take b is equal to m, if you will put b is equal to m, then what will happen? Log m to the base a is equal to log m to the base m divided by log a to the base b. Clear? And log m to the base m, what is the value of this one? This is your sixth law. Log a to the base a is equal to 1. The proof is, see here, we know a to the power 1 is equal to a. That means log a to the base a is equal to 1. So this is the proof. Okay. So I am applying this one. Log a to the base a is equal to 1. So log m to the base n is equal to 1. So this quantity is 1 divided by log a to the base b. Clear? And I have told you that b is equal to m. So this can be written as log a to the base n. That means if we interchange these two, it will become 1 by this one. So it implies log m to the base a into log a to the base m is equal to 1. So this is your fifth law, and then sixth law, and this is the corollary of fifth law. Okay. Now see the seventh law. A is a positive real number. A should be a positive real number, and n is positive rational number. Then a to the power log n to the base n. That means both the base should be same. If both the bases are same, then the answer will be equal to n. Clear? So if this will be e, this will become e. Okay. So how to do the proof? let log n to the base a is equal to x. This quantity, the power I am taking as x. So n is equal to a to the power x. That means a to the power x is equal to n. So this will become a to the power x. What is x? Log n to the base a is equal to 1. So this is your, equal to n. So this is your proof. A to the power x. X is log n to the base a. Log n to the base a is equal to 1. So this is the proof of 7th law. Okay. So the last law we will do the 8th law. See, this is the last property law. If a is a positive real number and n is a positive rational number, then log of n to the power p to the base a to the power q is equal to p by q. P by q, this power divided by this power into log n to the base a, and that means if this power will come to the front, it will be p, and the power of the base will be by q. P by q log n to the base a. So let us say how to prove this one. Let log n to the power p a to the base a to the q is equal to x. That means, and another one I am taking, log n to the base a is equal to y. So here a to the power q to the power x is equal to n to the power p, and this one a to the power y is equal to n. Here, so it implies what the value of n? A to the power y. So put n is equal to a to the power y, because n is equal to a to the power y, and here put the value of n. A to the power q to the power x is equal to a to the power y to the power p. I have written n equal to a to the power y here. Okay, so it will be a to the power qx is equal to a to the power y p. So the base is same, so the power must be equal. So q into x is equal to y into p. Okay, so x is equal to how much? P by q into y. Okay, so what is x? X is this one. Log n to the power p to the base a to the power q is equal to p by q into y. What is y? Log n to the base a. So this is the 8th law. So these are the laws on logarithmic. Okay, so after this, in the next class, I will tell you some properties, and then I will do some problems depending upon these laws. Okay, so till then, bye bye.